बच्चों, ग्राफ्स ऑफ रियल फंक्शंस में बेटा आज हम बात करेंगे कोसाइन फंक्शन की। कोसाइन फंक्शन लास्ट टाइम हमने साइन फंक्शन डिस्कस किया था बेटा। आई होप यू रिमेंबर हाउ वी गेट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ साइन एंड कोसाइन फ्रॉम द यूनिट सर्कल। This is the unit circle. Unit circle means circle with radius of 1 unit. If AB is a point on the circle subtending angle theta with x-axis, that means this arc length is nothing but theta, then A will be cosine of theta and B will be sine of theta. X coordinate of any point on the circle is nothing but cosine of theta and y coordinate will be nothing but sine of theta. Okay. Now domain, range and graph of cosine function. As you understand by unit circle, x, if we say y is equal to cos x, then x can take any value, any real number. You can yourself see theta from moving here to here, it is of 360 degree, and degree any times we can represent as radian, and radian is nothing but a real number. Okay, 360 we can move on, and we can move on clockwise also. That means negative, towards negative angles also. So x is nothing but any real number. That means domain of cos theta or cos x, whatever we can say, is nothing but R, set of real numbers. Now range. For range, you can see values of cos theta can only vary from -1 to 1. Okay, that means range will be again close interval -1 to 1. In this way, you can remember that domain and range of sine and cosine function both are same. Okay, and its graph will be like this. Either you can take some values from the table, you already remember 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, or use allied angles, or you just recall from this unit circle. Here it is 0 angle and here it is pi by 2, right? Cos theta is changing its value from 1 to 0. That means decreasing value, 1 to 0. At 0, cos theta will have value 1, and when we move towards pi by 2, its value goes to 0. Now pi by 2 to pi, value will further decreases, 0 to -1, 0 to -1. Okay, you are to give it a curve-like shape. Then pi to 3 pi by 2, it will increase -1 to 0. That means it is increasing -1 to 0, right? Then 0 to 1. That means again increasing. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, again increasing 0 to 1. And period of cosine function is 2 pi. That means 0 to 2 pi is the main graph, and further after 2 pi or in the left of 0, you are just to repeat this graph. Okay, let us just once draw it. One way I have already told you, just observing the increasing decreasing nature. We will discuss now on the basis of values, some values. If we are taking y is equal to cos x, x and y, x, if x is 0, then cos 0 means 1. If x is 30 degree means pi by 6. Then cos theta is nothing but √3 by 2, and √3 by 2 is nothing but 1.732 by 2. That means 0.866, approximately 0.9. Right? We have already calculated these values in sine function. Let us, no issue, let us do it again. Pi by 4. At pi by 4, value is 1 by √2. That means √2 by 2. And √2 is nothing but 1.414. That means 2. That means approximately 0.7 0.07. That means 0.7 approximately. At pi by 3, it is half. Half means 0.5. At pi by 2, it is nothing but 0. And after pi by 2, you can take using allied angle. Let us just draw till now. At 0, it is 1. At pi by 6, that means 1/3 of this length. 1/3 of this length is approximately here. That means 0.9. That means approximately here. Pi by 4, that means middle of this. Pi by 4, it is approximately 0.7 here. Then pi by 3. Pi by 3, it is approximately 0.5. Pi by 2, it will be 0. And in the same way, because cos pi by 2 plus theta is minus sine theta, you can take these same values and move like this. Okay. And further, after pi, cos pi plus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So again, similar values here. Then cos 2 pi minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or 2 pi minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So same value will repeat here. Okay, you can try it yourself. We are just to check its shape. It will move like this. Okay, 1 to 0, decreasing, then further decreasing, now increasing, then increasing. Okay, just try to draw it. We are to keep the shape in our mind where it is 1, where it is 0, and it is oscillating between -1 and 1. I hope you can draw easily. And that's all for the day.